What would happen if the moon disappeared? What if, one day, the moon simply vanished? No more glowing orb lighting up the night sky. No more eclipses. No more tides as we know them. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. But the moon plays an incredibly important role in life on Earth. So, what would happen if the moon disappeared? Stick around, because the consequences are far more dramatic than you might think. The moon has been a constant companion to Earth for over 4 billion years. It influences the tides, stabilizes our planet's tilt, and even affects the biological rhythms of many species. But what if that all changed? Today, we're going to dive into the science of what would happen if the moon suddenly vanished. From massive climate shifts to the chaos in the animal kingdom, the disappearance of the moon would completely alter life on Earth. First, let's start with the most immediate and obvious effect, the tides. The moon's gravitational pull is the main force behind Earth's tides. Without the moon, we'd still have some tides, but they'd be much weaker, about 1/3 of their current strength, because the sun would take over as the primary influence. This might sound like a minor issue, but tides play a crucial role in mixing ocean waters, distributing heat, nutrients, and oxygen. Without strong tides, marine ecosystems could collapse, and coastal environments would undergo massive changes. But that's just the beginning. The moon also helps stabilize Earth's axial tilt, the angle at which the Earth tilts relative to the sun. This tilt gives us our seasons, but without the moon's stabilizing influence, the Earth's tilt could vary wildly over time. Instead of a relatively steady 23.5 degrees, Earth's tilt could swing anywhere from 0 to 85 degrees. This would cause extreme climate changes, with some regions experiencing rapid shifts between scorching heat and freezing cold. Let's break that down. If Earth's tilt changed drastically, we'd see regions of the planet that are usually temperate experience tropical conditions, while others could plunge into ice ages. For example, a smaller tilt would mean less seasonal variation, leading to milder winters and cooler summers. A larger tilt, on the other hand, could lead to extreme seasons. Imagine polar regions getting hot summers, or equatorial regions plunging into deep freezes. This instability would have a huge impact on global weather patterns, agriculture, and even human civilization. Our food systems are designed around relatively predictable climates. Crops that depend on certain weather conditions would suffer, leading to food shortages and changes in where humans can live and thrive. Next, we'd lose one of the most beautiful and constant features of our night sky, the moon itself. This might seem like a minor loss, but the absence of moonlight would dramatically alter nighttime environments on Earth. For millions of years, nocturnal animals have evolved to use the moon's light for navigation, hunting, and reproduction. A dark, moonless night would throw off these natural behaviors. For example, many species of birds use the moon and stars to navigate during migration. Without the moon, their internal compasses would become confused, leading to disrupted migration patterns. Additionally, predators that rely on moonlight to hunt, such as owls and certain species of fish, would struggle to find food. This disruption would ripple through ecosystems, causing unforeseen consequences in food chains and biodiversity. For humans, the moon has had a deep cultural and scientific significance throughout history. Its cycles have been used to track time, inspire mythology, and even influence human behavior, from ancient rituals to modern-day beliefs in the lunar effect. Without the moon, many cultural and spiritual traditions would lose a vital symbol. But let's not forget the moon's role in space exploration. The moon has always been the first stepping stone in humanity's journey to the stars. If the moon disappeared, we'd lose a vital testbed for future space missions. The moon has been an essential part of our plans for space colonization. NASA's Artemis program and SpaceX's lunar missions would suddenly lose their purpose, setting back humanity's progress in exploring the cosmos. While the physical consequences of the moon disappearing would be catastrophic, there's a more existential question. What would it mean for life itself? Some scientists believe that the moon played a key role in the evolution of life on Earth. Its tidal forces may have helped life emerge from the oceans onto land. Without the moon, life as we know it might never have evolved at all. So, if the moon disappeared now, how would life adapt? Would humans survive the extreme climate changes, the ecological collapse, and the disruption to our natural rhythms? So, what would happen if the moon disappeared? We'd see weaker tides, a destabilized planet, extreme climate shifts, and massive disruptions to ecosystems. Human civilization, shaped by the steady presence of the moon, would have to adapt to a dramatically altered world. The moon may seem like a distant, silent partner in the cosmos, but its impact on Earth is profound, and losing it would change everything. What do you think? Could humans survive a world without the moon, or would we struggle to adapt? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed exploring this mind-bending scenario, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next deep dive into the mysteries of the universe. Thanks for watching.